Look at this. Bitconnect is back up, and let me tell you, it's better than ever. And that is because through all the trouble they went through and how they succeeded on making a comeback, I believe in Bitconnect way more than I ever did. And I'm going to keep promoting Bitconnect, and I want to get as many people lending on Bitconnect as possible because it really is an amazing platform and it can change your life for real. If you put in $100 and reinvest for 4 years straight, you can have over $1 million. And so I'm just gonna do a quick update on my BitConnect now that it's back up. So I have 280 total investment. My active investment is the same. I haven't had a capital release yet. I think I'll get that in September, but I'm not too worried about the capital release because I'm really focusing on reinvesting right now. Every single time I can reinvest, I do so. And then my total earned, I've earned $62.80, and that's in about a month. No, a little less than a month. So great returns, and then as you can see, I have 744 in my lending wallet. Then I'll show you guys the volatility for the next couple of days, or not the next couple of days, for the past days. So see, now BitConnect has this security check anytime you want to access the website so that something like that never happens again. So they're taking steps in avoiding this, and they do not want to be down again like that, and you can tell they're making an effort to protect their site and protect their users. So since Bitconnect's still been in its consolidation phase and it hasn't had any huge spikes, the payouts have been pretty low, but 1.02 right here. Tomorrow will be a really low day, but that's just part of the game. That happens every once in a while. But if you look at this, the 30-day, the average is still 0.77% per day, which really isn't too bad. But if you look at last 6 months, it's 0.93 per day. So if you're putting in $100, your 6 month is going to be what you're going to want to look at in the first place, because your capital is going to be locked in there for about 10 months. So the 6 month is what matters for most people. On the higher end loans, you would want to look at the 30-day, but 0.77 in 100 days will still give you an amazing return, and you get your capital back, so you're never losing money. You just sometimes don't make as much as you would wish for, but you can't wish for $1 million in 2 days. So last 6 months is what I usually like to look at. It's more promising and it's more like it matters more, because most of the time you're not going to get your capital back in 7 days, so who cares about the 7-day average? You're not going to even get your capital back in 30 days, so who cares about that average? And last 6 months is more reasonable for when you'll get your capital back. So then, as Bitcoin is more volatile, you'll get bigger payouts and you can reinvest. I've technically only invested 110 to start with, and then I added another 230 out of my pocket. So, no, 120 out of my pocket. So I've invested 230 total, and because I put that in, it looks like I haven't earned as much, but as you can see right here, I've earned 62.80, and my last investment out of my pocket, the $120 one, was fairly recent, so I haven't been earning on that investment for that long. So even then, I've gained $50 of free money of the interest. So I would say that's really good. And then checking back on Bitconnect's Twitter, this is their latest update. Or no, this is latest. So they're just saying that they've enabled the website and the dashboard, but the exchange will take another 24 hours to work as usual, which I guess whenever this has happened before, they give the exchange some time so that everything goes all right and works out smooth. And then right here it says, due to technical difficulties, the Bitconnect X ICO will not be open on January 16, 2018. You will not be able to log into the dashboard. The following day, we will reopen, allowing new registrations and offering twice as much Bitconnect X to be purchased. So looks like they've been going through a lot lately, but they're working hard to make everything right again. And this is learning experiences. All businesses go through ups and downs. So they're going through a few downs right now, but they're using it as a learning experience. It's just making them better. And like tons of people say, if you learn from your mistakes or your failures and apply that to get better, then you'll be successful. And that's exactly what they're doing right here. And then last of all, we'll check on the market cap. So as you can see, Bitcoin is at 13,000. So it's still hanging around the 13,000 to 15,000. And then all the other cryptos are down. Neo is actually up. I might do a video on Neo tomorrow because I think Neo is super neat and I think it's worth investing in. They just had a conference, and I'm sure that's why they're doing so good compared to all these other cryptos. When you see all this red, it's literally all red. And then gas, I haven't heard about that. Maybe I'll look into it. But just a red day overall. And you know what? That's not a bad thing. I would take this opportunity to buy into some new coins because the prices are low right now. Because I promise you, we're going to have green days soon. We might even go into another bull market. My guess is that we'll have a bull market with Bitcoin. And then as Bitcoin drops and consolidates again, then you'll have that altcoin bull market like we saw in the past few weeks. And so that's about it for today, guys. If you want to invest on Bitconnect, now that you can fully trust them with what they've gone through, I'll leave a link in the description. And just invest with that link and comment what you're getting paid out every day and what you are lending. And we can just build a community and invest together. And that's about it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.